guys! Today we are making 4 different types of holiday pies macarons. Let's get started. First, whip up egg white until it gets very fluffy and heat sugar and water in the pot to make hot syrup. Once the syrup reaches to 118 Celsius, which is about 244 Fahrenheit, add slowly to the fluffy meringue. And continue whipping until it cools down enough. Meanwhile, sift powdered sugar and almond flour together. Add egg white and mix. To judge if the meringue is ready or not, touch the bowl or the meringue itself. When they feel very slightly warm, or you almost don't feel anything, the meringue is ready. And mix with the almond paste. Now we're gonna keep mixing and finish the macaronage, but at this point, don't mix all the way yet. Once it looks evenly blended, divide it for 3 colors today. After you divide them, you can finish the macaronage. So this plain one is going to be for peppermint chocolate macarons. And this one is going to be for pumpkin pie cheesecake macarons. And the rest of them is going to be brown, which I'm going to use for apple crumble and caramel pecan macarons. By the way, to learn how to make these macarons a lot more in depth, check out this tutorial. The link is below. In total, you're gonna get about 40 to 45 macarons. I needed to bake with 2 full sheet trays. And sprinkle each toppings for each flavors. I'll show you how to make the crumble later. Bake at 300 Fahrenheit for 17 to 20 minutes. Adjust the time and temperature accordingly. To make plain buttercream today, I used my French buttercream recipe. Oftentimes when I make macarons, I use this buttercream because I get a lot of yolks left from the Macaron shells. To make crumble, mix all the ingredients in the bowl until it looks crumbly. Spread on a tray and bake until it looks nice golden brown. To make the apple pie filling, add all the ingredients in the pot and mix and heat it up. Continue cooking until the apple gets soft. Add more water if you need to, but in the end we want thick filling so that your macaron shells are not going to be soggy. And mix the plain buttercream and cinnamon to make the cinnamon buttercream. Attach the apple pie filling and sprinkle the extra crumble And I piped the extra buttercream on shells just to make sure that the shells are not going to be soggy. To make the pumpkin pie filling, mix all the ingredients in the bowl. If you don't have pumpkin spice, check out this video. I shared how you can make pumpkin spice at home. And pour in a pan and bake. And chill in the fridge completely. To make the cream cheese buttercream, first make sure that your cream cheese is nice and soft and add the plain buttercream and pumpkin spice and mix well. And cut the pumpkin pie filling into the size or shape you like. And attach on top. To make the caramel pecan crunch, first heat sugar to make caramel and add butter and mix, and add toasted pecans and mix well. Spread evenly and let it cool completely, and cut into smaller chunks. This is great as ice cream topping as well. To make amazing caramel sauce, watch this video. I'm sharing how to make it step by step. Today I use the dry caramel method with butter so that it can hold the shape a little bit better. And let it cool completely before use. Mix the caramel and plain buttercream to make caramel buttercream. Create the dome with buttercream like this so that we can feel lots of delicious caramel sauce inside. And sprinkle some sea salt. And sprinkle the caramel pecan crunch. Crush the peppermint candy. This is the fun part. To make ganache, melt chocolate and add heavy cream, divide it into a few times and mix well each time. Today I didn't do that, but if you are a fan of peppermint flavor, you can definitely add peppermint extract in the ganache as well. And sprinkle the crushed candies on top. You can box them up to share with special someone. It'll be a perfect holiday gift. You can also store it in the fridge for up to 5 days. These macarons are so delicious. They taste exactly like the pies. I would love you to try whenever you get the chance.
This is what I'm talking about. What's this?
Apple pie filling.
Thanks. Apple pie.
And then cinnamon buttercream. And the crumble.
Maybe this is the best.
Well.
Oh, yum.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy holiday. Bye bye.